What?
Sorry, I accidentally.
Oh,
Sorry, wait.
babe! Oh!
What's the problem?
What you just did?
Sneeze?
You sneezed on me?
Yeah!
Oh!
What's the...
Oh! Baby, it's disgusting!
Why?
Because
Just sneeze!
what if you have disease or something? I don't know!
I don't have disease, you know that. We're living together.
Babe,
We're
it's-
kisses all the time.
It's awful one thing when we're kissing, but when you sneeze on me, you need to turn away from me.
Sorry.
Oh!
Okay,
Oh, it's
I
disgusting!
can help you like this.
Ah! Wait, this part is touching my clothes, and you're now touching my face?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
I just tried to help you.
Oh my gosh, you're disgusting, babe. Okay, I need to take a shower.
Serious.